my name is Kiara. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Life with Kiara. A special thanks to all those subscribers who subscribed in my previous video. Well, today we'll be making this mini ramen set. This one looks interesting and just a little bit different to the ones we've made in the past. Now, for those of you who aren't familiar with what the food ramen is, it's a traditional Japanese hot soup noodle and it comes in different flavors with different ingredients depending on which part of Japan you're from. But today, mine's not going to be hot, it's going to be a cold ramen dish. Now this packet today also comes with gyoza. In the past couple of years, gyoza has become popular in the West. Gyoza is basically a pork dumpling. Gyoza comes in 3 varieties, steamed, boiled or fried. We're making the fried variety today. Since we're dealing with food, you should wipe the table clean and wash your hands. The things you'll need are scissors and a glass of water. So I wonder what's inside the packet. Let's open it. Whoa, check this out. There's heaps of things in here. This mini ramen set comes with the noodle powder, the soup powder, and 2 special gyoza ingredients. It also comes with a piping bag, tray, the gyoza pastry lolly, a toothpick, and last but not least, a fork. So now we need to cut the tray. So what I decided to do was cut around the corners so it looks more like a ramen bowl. The first thing we need to do is make gyoza, or pork dumplings as they are sometimes called. We need to then get the gyoza pastry lolly and need to pinch a little bit off and spread it onto the guide sheet so it's the same size as this. Now we're going to be making the gyoza itself. So we're going to get our gyoza mold and our gyoza pastry. On top, like that. Maybe like squish it, mold that, like that. And get one of our toppings or ingredients to put inside. I can follow it. And then let's put it in. Whoa. And let's save a little bit for later as well, just in case. And then let's squish it like in. And then let's clamp it together. Like that, nice and tight, like this, and whoa, made it really nice. It's good. Ooh, it's sticking. That gently. Let's put it on this bowl right here, and let's make the next one. So we're going to do the same thing, put it on top, but let's get a new topping. And then let's put it in. Like that. Next we need to put the water up till the line in the middle. Right there. Not too much, please. Perfect. And then now we need to add the soup powder. This one here. So open it up. And it smells more like grape, kind of. Maybe Coke. And then we need to mix it up really well until the powder at the bottom is all dissolved. So let's put our soup aside for now and make our noodles. So we need to get the star tray and we need to once again put the water until the line. And then let's get our water, fill it up, and then put our noodle powder in. It smells like grapes. Okay, and then mix it up really well. Next we're going to be punching a hole in the corner of this piping bag with our toothpick because we're going to use this to make our noodles. So, and then I'm going to get this corner right here and then punch a hole in it like that. So now let's put our yellow noodle ingredient into the piping bag to make our noodles. So let's put it in the piping bag. Like that. So now we're going to be squeezing the piping bag into the noodle soup to make the ramen. So what I'm going to do is put the ramen aside for 3 minutes for it to harden. And I've also left some ramen paste for the egg, and I've also saved some gyoza ingredients for the kamaboko. Now, for those of you who don't know what kamaboko is, it's made out of fish mince paste. Next, let's make the egg and the kamaboko. Now it's time for me to enjoy what I've made. Let's try it. Well, it doesn't taste like ramen, but it's still good. The soup is great flavor and it's really good. Now let's move on to the gyoza. Well, once again, it doesn't taste like gyoza. It tastes like lollies with a sherbet and lemonade taste, but gee, it's still good. So everyone, I hope you liked today's video making mini ramen. The gyoza was cute to make and the ramen was very tasty. In my next video, I'll be making something a little different. I'll be making rainbow colored droplet sweets. If you like this video, give me a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching and we'll see you guys next time. Ciao! I wonder what's inside the packet. Let's open it. Hopefully I don't like... Dun dun dun. Next we're going to be piping.
He needs to be